Hey, this is Danielle. Welcome to the free video. So tonight I'm going to be talking about a trio of setups. They're all pretty similar, very similar patterns, and it's going to be a similar way that I'm going to trade them as well. So looking at ZS, this is the one that I wanted to start off with. You have a really nice 5-star pattern here. You also have a ticker that has rallied severely off of the lows on about, March 16th, March 15th or so. I guess it would be March 12th. But it's rallied really low. You've had this strong bullish pattern. You have a little bit of a pullback. It tapped the 21 EMA. You also had buyers coming in immediately at that level. And you have this daily and 195-minute squeeze setting up. You also have something that is right near the previous highs and has a lot of high short interest. So whenever you have these tickers that are coming up right to that high, especially with a catalyst to kind of send it off, plus you have that high short interest, it can really kind of get going, as you can see that it did right here. So I did get long ZS. I'm looking for a 120 and then a 125 price point. I'm also very interested to see what is going to happen if and when it breaks the 115.17 previous high, because I think that's when it will really get going. Now, two other similar setups that I'm looking at are going to be NET and then CRWD. So again, these two tickers are in a pretty hot area right now. You can see that they have an absolutely gorgeous trend. You've got green trend strength candles. You've got some volume in multiple different places, which you can see by the volume dots. You can also see, look at this right here. Do you see how when it broke this high, it got a high volume push? That's what I'm looking for right here. So if it can break through this high and get another high volume push, that would be a nice momentum breakout. And I think the catalyst to do it is right here with the 195-minute squeeze. So to make this story short, I'm looking for a price target of about 40 bucks and then about 45 to the upside. I did add this in my long-term stock account, but I think it's great for an options trade as well. The next one is going to be CRWD. Again, similar pattern, more recent IPO. Definitely been hot ever since the March crash. And you have this catalyst, and it's sitting right underneath the previous all-time high. And I think that if it can break it, it'll really get going. So again, this is another one that I did add to my long-term stock account. I did add it to my long-term stock account, but I think it would be great in options as well to trade it into about 112, 115 or so. So that's about all I have for you tonight. If you want to learn more, I love to redo or review my previous trades. You can go to www.5startrader.com. And this is where I connect with readers twice a week usually. I love to go over previous trades, especially a Tesla trade to 1050 that I went over. Beyond that, if you have anything else, I will see you in the next episode.